This is a Geometer Sketchpad file. It is used in math class to draw shapes. You need the specific software to view the interactive diagram. It won't work in Paint. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the viewer. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful GSP file inspection tool. A GSP file is associated with Geometer's Sketchpad, a dynamic geometry software used for exploring and learning mathematics. It contains geometric constructions, diagrams, and interactive models created within the software. These files can include points, lines, circles, polygons, and other geometric elements, along with relationships and constraints that define their behavior. The GSP file format is proprietary to Geometer's Sketchpad. It stores geometric objects and their properties in a structured manner, allowing users to manipulate and explore geometric concepts interactively. The file format supports dynamic geometry, enabling users to change parameters and observe the resulting changes in the construction. It also supports scripting and custom tools. The primary software for GSP is recognized as Geometer's Sketchpad, developed by Key Curriculum Press. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows gives no spatial context, requiring specialized software for map-level visualization. Open the menu by right-clicking your GSP file and choosing Open With. Try Geometer's Sketchpad first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the GSP file won't open, don't panic. If your GSP file is still uncooperative, the time for guessing is over. Let's test these primary failure points immediately to confirm the source. First, use Geometer's Sketchpad. Open the file using Geometer's Sketchpad, the required application for the math project. Next, check version. Ensure the Sketchpad version you are using is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF HTML. Use the software's export function to save the project as a universal format like .pdf or HTML. If no local program recognizes the GSP file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the GSP label is unclear or shared. Stop worrying about corrupted data. FileMagick will instantly show you what's inside the broken GSP file, offering a chance to recover data that other programs would miss. Available at filemagick.com. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you've bookmarked this video.